Oh, this your boy Elishira254, man, and you tune in for another one. As you can see right here, we in the garage. We got the box Chevy here with us. And what we about to get into next, only time will tell.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my.
So on today's video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna be addressing some more issues with the sound system, and we're gonna get deeper and deeper on that. So let's get into it. All right, so this is where we at. Picked up some 4-gauge wire. Okay, got about 24 feet of it. That should be enough to do the split off in the Cutlass, and then the split off that we plan to do here in the Tudo as well. That car gonna have to get its own sound system if we even sound system it, which we more than likely will, but you know, potato. Thing look kind of sexy at nighttime. That one ain't too bad either, man. We painted that one too. Yeah, so I'm finna look and see exactly kind of just measure out how long each of the runs need to be. I think I was generally just going off of the width of the trunk. Very inaccurate if you, very inaccurate if you ask me, but for the purpose of what we trying, where are all these leaves coming from? I ain't got no tree. That's my tree. Fucking Charlie Brown ass tree. Charlie Brown ass tree. Alright, so oh yeah, that's another thing I gotta do. I gotta get them wood screws. So what I was looking at is primarily from, so we're gonna use this wire to kind of measure it off. Oh, so this is actually 4-gauge, so this one should be fine. So I technically just need one more for this one, and then, yeah. Let me turn some lights on. Alright. So, like we were saying from earlier, so the ground comes right here. So technically the ground from there to there is not gonna be that long. It's actually not gonna be long at all. And then the power wire, you can honestly say the same thing since they in like the same vicinity. And just pretty much, like I said, going from there to there. So, honestly, now that I'm looking at it a second time, I could probably just cut this in half, and that shit will work. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna cut this in half and then run two, like I said, the power and the ground. I'm gonna do the same thing I did. Both of these is the same wire, just one is wrapped in black electrical tape. The other one's not, so you can tell the difference and you don't fuck up. But yeah, so let me get, yeah. These will help as well. Then I get to the yams. Alright, sweet yams. Because this wire that I thought was 4 gauge is actually more like a 2 gauge. But it's too large to go into the amplifier. And what I've noticed is that I don't think any of these amplifiers have anything larger than a 4 gauge input. So, fun facts. Alright, so let's look at these wires prepped and touch back on. Alright, so what we doing here, after we done got it cut and crimped, you could say it's the ghetto way, but it works as far as identification. Make sure that you don't hook your ground to your ground, or ground to your power to your ground. That's why they call me El Cheapo, baby. So you got your wire, and then you got your terminals, which these are spade, supposed to be 4 gauge. Kind of big if you ask me, but I mean, it fit in there. But as you can see, there's a ways to crimp down. So I'm gonna just strip this back a little bit more, using my handy dandy razor blade. If only there was something to make this easier. No, I'm bullshitting. There is. Oh yeah, I thought I was gonna segue into another video, huh? Alright, so we're gonna slide this over this first, because once that thing is crimped, shit is over. It's gonna be fairly difficult trying to get it back over. So we're just gonna take this like such, and actually it could probably come up some, probably like right there. Make sure you got a good connection off in there, but like I said, it's quite a bit. Bring it down here to my crimping tool. Y'all may have remembered it from the other video. I don't know. We're gonna insert it like so. My fault. I just threw y'all down. Alright, let me flip it. Alright, so we got it in there. Like it says, plenty of room, plenty of fun, or whatever. Alright, we're gonna take our little baby Milner, aka baby sledge. Tap that thing 3 times. And now it's crimped on there. It is now crimped. I'm pretty sure it ain't gonna come off. It should be good. And then you just finish sliding your red plastic part back up. And it's like, ta-da, magic. Ta-da, magic. All right, there you go. All right, so you just slide that back up there like that. Be good to go. It might come off though. I don't think it will though. All right, and we back. So let me see if we got an actual think we do got a screwdriver back there. I know we ain't got no light back here. Alright. So, so there's our screwdriver. So we just take our, which one's positive? Alright, so positive to the left. So we just basically take that ground lead there. Get our screwdriver. Let me hold it in there. I suspected he's gonna try to slip out. So that was in there good. And then you take your negative. You're gonna do the same. Alright, so now so now both connections are on there the way they're supposed to be. And now I only need to be hooked to their respective blocks. So I'm gonna hold off for now because, like I said, we still gotta hook up the wires to the actual speakers, which on these specific speakers, I'm pretty sure we going 2-channel. This one say 400 watts max. We're gonna go the RCAs through. Then it got dark though. Yeah, we're gonna go with the RCA through wire, and then what else? RCA through wire, power ground, and then out to the speakers, the left and the right, and we'll see. I guess we could test it on this one first. Which is gonna be the 400 watts. So at 120, at 125, 150, whatever it's outputting, it's not gonna even touch its potential. But I got some of them just regular connectors. I can bring it across there and see what it do. And like I said, because it done got late, that's what we'll do tomorrow. So next video will be like Boss speakers. Can Boss speakers handle the Pioneer amp? Tune in next time, niggas.